Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking a tool that literally flips the script on traditional media editing. If you've ever felt completely bogged down by the sheer mechanical tedium of cutting audio or video, you are in the exact right place. We're looking at Descript. It's an all-in-one AI-powered software that is fundamentally changing how creators interact with their media. So grab your notebooks, because we're going to break down exactly how this works, step by step. So what if editing audio and video was literally as easy as typing a Word document? Just imagine bypassing that tedious, eye-straining, hours-long process of zooming way in on a timeline to snip microscopic media clips by hand. Imagine if fixing a bad take was as simple as hitting the backspace key. It sounds like science fiction for editors, but as the source material reveals, it's entirely possible today.
Okay, let's dive into this. We all know the painful reality of the old way, right? Cutting and splicing on super complex timelines, scrubbing through waveforms forever just to find one single flub sentence. It's completely mechanical and frankly, it's exhausting. But then we have the new way. Descript shifts the paradigm entirely by letting you edit your media exactly like you're typing in a Google Doc. You're no longer editing waveforms, you are editing words.
Section 1. A new way to edit. Flipping the editing workflow.
Here's the core mechanic, the real foundational innovation of the software. The engine relies on highly accurate automatic transcription. The AI instantly scans your file and generates a written transcript of everything that was spoken. From there, it's brilliantly simple. When you delete a word or sentence in that transcript, it automatically cuts that exact portion out of the source audio or video. You literally just highlight, press delete, and boom, the media is gone. No razor tools, no messy keyboard shortcuts, just basic word processing.
Section 2. Descript's core AI features, or the magic under the hood. Now, what's really interesting here is a feature called Overdub. It allows you to create an AI clone of your own voice. Imagine you're recording a huge presentation, and you realize later you misspoke one single crucial word. In the past, you'd have to set up your mic, match the room tone, and re-record that whole section. With Overdub, you simply type the correct word into the transcript, and your AI voice speaks it completely naturally. It's a lifesaver that keeps you from scrapping a whole session over one tiny mistake. And then we have what's described as one-click audio magic. We've all been there, recording a great take only to realize a truck drove by, the room sounded incredibly echoey, or we said about 50 times. Descript features Studio Sound, an AI tool that knocks out background noise and echo with just one click. It honestly makes a cheap microphone sound like a professional studio. Plus, the filler word removal tool automatically detects and deletes those pesky ums, uhs, and you knows. Fixing these universal annoyances now takes seconds instead of meticulously scrubbing through hours of audio. It's also worth noting that Descript includes built-in screen recording. You can capture your screen and your webcam simultaneously right into the app. This goes to show that the software isn't just for post-production, it's designed to be an all-in-one workspace for content generation right from the moment you hit record.
Section 3. The simple editing workflow, from upload to export.
Let's walk through this beginner-friendly workflow. Honestly, if you can edit a document, you can do this. Step 1, you just drag and drop your media in or record directly. Step 2, the AI generates your text instantly. Step 3, you read through that transcript, highlighting and deleting your mistakes. Step 4, if you want to add B-roll, titles, or music, you just drag and drop them directly onto the text exactly where you want them to appear. And finally, Step 5, export. Notice how straightforward and linear this is compared to wrestling with multiple layers on a traditional timeline? When you hit that final step, exporting, you've got options. You can export the final project directly as an MP4 for video or MP3 and WAV for audio. But here's the fantastic detail. You can also export your timeline to professional software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. This means if you need advanced color grading or finishing down the line, Descript acts as an incredibly fast rough cut tool that still plays perfectly with your traditional pro-level software. Section 4. Pros and cons weighed, a reality check. So the crucial point is balancing the incredible benefits with reality. On the plus side, it's amazingly easy to learn, no prior editing experience needed. It is a massive time saver for cutting dead air, and it offers great cloud collaboration, where multiple people can work on a project simultaneously, just like Google Docs. However, on the flip side, there is an internet dependency. Those amazing AI features require an active connection to work. Also, it can suffer from performance issues and feel a bit heavy on older computers, especially with huge video files. And of course, it's not a total replacement for software like After Effects if you need really heavy motion graphics.
We also have to talk about the transcription itself. While it's generally excellent, the AI isn't absolutely flawless. It can struggle with thick accents, highly technical jargon, or poor quality source audio. If the AI mishears a word, you will have to jump in and make manual text corrections to make sure your transcript, and therefore your edit, is perfectly accurate.
Section 5. Who is this for? Finding your workflow.
And this brilliantly illustrates who gets the most value out of this tool. The source highlights 4 distinct groups: podcasters who need to quickly edit interviews and clean up audio, course creators and educators recording instructional videos who want an easy way to fix flubbed lines, YouTubers and social media creators who need to generate fast, accurate captions and make those rapid jump cut style edits, or marketers and teams who need to repurpose long, tedious webinars into punchy highlight clips. For all these groups, this workflow saves hours of mechanical work, letting them focus purely on their message. Which leaves us with one final, provocative thought. Is the traditional editing timeline becoming a thing of the past? Well, for complex Hollywood films, probably not anytime soon. But for the vast majority of spoken word content, podcasts, and digital media, when you can edit video as easily as typing a document, you really have to ask yourself why you'd ever go back to slicing waveforms. It's a fascinating shift in how we create, and it's absolutely worth rethinking your own daily workflow. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, everyone. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you on the next one.